Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got 3 special cars today. We are gonna unbox today. These are pretty cool cars today. But yeah, guys, we also got my motorcycle collection over here, and we also got the giant. Remember this? Yep, I still have this. Plus, thing it needs surprisingly after I think like one entire year. This baby still works. But there's one sad problem about this, because we cleaned it up a little because it was really dusty. It's been sitting for a while. And we put one car and it didn't even go all the way up. Because the battery, we need to put a new battery in this one because the battery is kind of slow. So that's kind of a problem. We also got some cars up here. Right here. And we also got one little car. We got one little car there. But yeah, we also got Mr. Hand Sanitizers here. And yeah. Today we're going to open these cars and take a look at this giant beast here. But yeah, the first car we're going to open is the Nissan Leaf Nismo R390. This car looks pretty cool. Let's open it. It is also from the Green Speed. But yeah, now we're gonna we're gonna open it. Why does this always happen to me? Tell me. Why? I have a fact that I know for a fact the wheels are not gonna move properly. Really? They move, huh? Oh, looks like it's pretty crispy in there. But yeah, here it is. Here is the Nismo right here. Looks pretty cool. But first, we need to put it on our rotator. Yes, I'm using this for cotton. But yeah, I really like the gray color, and I like the roof on it. It looks pretty cool. It's like a futuristic or something. The car looks more like flat, and I like the spoiler too. Even has it says Nissan Intelligent Mobility. Look at that, it's pretty cool. I love the red paint job on the wheels and the side skirts too. But yeah, you can also see the little Nissan logo on the back, which is pretty cool. But yeah, honestly, this car looks actually pretty nice. I even have a Matchbox version of it. But yeah, let's take them off. But yeah, we're not going to use it out here because basically, look. If it's going to go like this, then after the motors go, then after it's just going to go up, and then after it go up, then after it's just going to fall.
Try it.
I've already did try it, but I don't want to break the car, but we could use one of these cars here.
Okay, try it.
Okay, I'll just use... let's use one of these. Just use the Camaro. I hope this car doesn't fall and break one of these. I'm scared.
Try it. That's okay.
Okay. Look. See? That's perfect landing. I told you guys. It just goes up and just falls because you know why? The battery doesn't have enough power, so we need to add a new battery. But yeah, next car we are gonna open is this Nissan R390 GTI, which I already do have one of these in my display case. But yeah, I got the red version of it. So what's cool is that, look, this is a Nissan, this is a Nissan. So right now we are gonna unbox this boy right now. The package is bent for some reason. Baba boy. And here it is. So here it is, the Nissan himself, the Nissan 390. I love the red color on this guy, and also like how the body's designed. The body looks kind of weird, but honestly I like it. It's a pretty cool car, and nice. It's nice. I like the red color. It goes nice. What I think is that it goes a little bit better than the blue, but the blue is a little bit better too. But yeah. goes. Boopity boop. Okay, and then after the final car we are gonna open is Aston Martin 177, and it is from the Rescue Squad. But yeah. And it says on the back, fearless and fast to respond. These vehicles save the day. Yep, there it is. You can read it by yourself if you want to. Well, yeah. But yeah, let's take a look and open his bad boy open. Let's open this bad boy. Boop. Boop. Ooh, this car is really slick. So here is the Aston Martin Rescue Squad. So yeah, I really love the yellow color and also the stripes and patterns on the side. It looks pretty cool, but you know, I really like the design of it, the Aston Martin one. I like the gray wheels and this cool design. It's like this checkers pattern on it. Yeah, honestly, it's a pretty cool car. I like it. It's also pretty smooth too. It's bald. But yeah, guys. And now I'm gonna put them on the wheel. Boop. Boopity. Boopity. It's the first time I ever made it like this. But yeah, guys, the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, and go to the link in the description down below. Click that little arrow, and it'll take you to the description, and press the link to my gaming channel. But yeah, I mostly play Roblox, Call of Duty, you know. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the video, and yeah, bye bye. And also, one thing to say. I'm gonna finally have a TikTok. Honestly, I don't really like TikTok, but I'll give it a try, you know? Like, I haven't really tried it, so I'm gonna see how it goes, you know? So, you know, I'll have my own TikTok account. But yeah, but guys, bye-bye. Dance, 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 Stay safe. Bye-bye.